Hey guys, it's Dorian. Thanks for tuning in. SourceForge is killing me. They went offline like the day I uploaded, or the day after I uploaded my new ISO. So it kind of froze everything. They're back online now, but I still can't upload new files because I downloaded this and it doesn't seem to want to copy to USB properly. It worked once, didn't work again. So there's 36 people that downloaded at least within 24 hours, but it's frozen now. That's not changing. And 340 downloaded 18.11. But this is why I need my own web hosting, because then I don't have to rely on SourceForge anymore. But anyways, I had a few issues, few bumps with the new kernels. I was using 4.10. As you know, with the Scion and Spectre, you should be using, excuse me, you should be using minimum, and I'm on Ubuntu here, you should be using minimum of, let me just write this down in big so you can see it. If you're using older hardware, you can use 4.40 -112, 112, sorry. And that one is patched for the Spectre and Meltdown vulnerabilities. If you have newer hardware, this might not work for you. So you're going to need 4.13.0-32. So these are the two that you're going to want to run. I was using 4.10. You don't want to use that anymore. They're not going to patch it. So these are your two options right now, unless you go to 4.14, 15, or 16, but those aren't quite ready for consumption yet. And I ran into some issues. I actually ran into issues while I was still using 4.10 with my NVIDIA graphics. It kind of killed it off. So I had to do a couple of things to get it going. First of all, in your etc/default/grub file, you could test this out when you're booting first. But what I did is I went in here, and on this line here, just add ACPI OSI exclamation ACPI OSI Windows 2009. Now the triple slashes are what lets you do a quote inside the quote. So you're going to write it just like this, and it changes the way Linux handles your ACPI. Another option you could do is, which also works, get rid of this, do this, 2015. And this will also work. This is a different set of ACPI parameters. For some reason, I think there wasn't a space. No, there's a space. So try this or leave it like that. And after you save this file, remember you have to do sudo to edit this. You're going to do a sudo update grub and see if it works. However, with NVIDIA, one more thing. I had to re-download the Intel Linux graphics firmware for it to work properly. I installed the NVIDIA-390 package, and there were some failures. So I'll put this link in the description of the video. Quiet you. What do you want? So anyways, if you've got Intel, obviously, click on the link in the description, and you're going to scroll down here, and you're going to find your processor. So for me, it's Skylake. And you're going to download all the files that are for it, and it will be in your downloads folder. You're going to unzip them and untar them one at a time and go into the terminal, and you're going to run the install.sh in each one, and then install your NVIDIA graphics. So yeah, first of all, what I should have said is you're going to remove all the NVIDIA. So you're going to sudo apt purge NVIDIA star, and you're going to get rid of everything. If you can't boot at all, you should be able to use one of your older kernels and at least get your graphics up and running, and then you can mess with it from there. As long as you're able to get to the terminal, as long as you have a network connection, it's easy peasy. And so right now, I've got 3 kernels installed, which you can check just by going apt list installed and then grep Linux headers. And you can see I've got these versions installed. So yeah, that's all I got for now. That's all I got for today. If your NVIDIA died on you and it's not letting you reinstall, click on this link. Try and get it up and running this way. Remember, remove all the NVIDIA first, reboot, reinstall all these, run those scripts, reboot, and install NVIDIA again, and you should be up and running like I am. 390 works. I'm currently using, if I can type, the 4.13.0-32 generic kernel, which is the latest patched Ubuntu kernel for Ubuntu that's patched. Yeah. Anyways, so that's it for now. Thanks for subscribing to all the new people. And I'll try to get around to getting some more stuff done as soon as possible if I don't keep running into sicknesses and problems with my own computer and problems with SourceForge, etc., etc. I've already decided my next review is Revenge OS. It's based on Arch, so look out for that coming out soon. And till next time, bye, Sean.